sometimes about politics. That's me. There I am. But sometimes just about how we're trying to change asset management, wealth management in the UK, which was this one. What we're trying to do is get rid of commissions because it creates a conflict of interest where the IFA is just constantly charging you for bullshit returns and no growth. Whereas if they just told you to go in an index tracker, you'd be better off. So if you go onto my LinkedIn, you'll find it, sometimes political, as I said, but usually not, sometimes to do with work and productivity, and then some of our tools on there as well. Okay, including why we do better than traditional asset management. Don't charge bloody fees for a charge, for commissions and fees for a start, but it sort of explains all of that, and then you'll get all this data. So that's all on LinkedIn. That's my dad from back in the day. He floated a company on the Mumbai Stock Exchange. I guess that's what's got me on the stock market, and it's still there and profitable as well. So, NVIDIA. Okay, now, the issue is, do I need to buy, hold, or sell? Well, I could buy more, as I did yesterday, but I'm well aware that I might be buying at the peak and it could drop. Would I hold? Yeah, because I've got no reason to sell. Would I sell? No, I've got no reason to sell. What's the earliest I might think about selling? Well, possibly a mama bear, but not me. Daddy bear? Possibly if I'm willing to pay the insurance premium, but I'll make that decision when I need to make that decision. If you start making that decision too early, you're not going to spend any time smelling the bloody roses. That's where NVIDIA's one looks at. Now, if NVIDIA drops 28% in 20 days, please God, let that happen. Even better, let it drop 40% in 50 days or 42%. Let it go half down. If its valuation halves, I am filling my boots because I'm going to double my money. In fact, with the leverage, I'll triple my money. Okay. When it went to $100, I said to when they had a stock split and it went to $100, I said to my students last June, this is going to double. And some of them did 2 times leverage on it and they tripled. One of them emailed me recently. Now, that sounds sexy, but it's not about individual stocks. It's about portfolios. If it was about individual stocks, I would have put all my money in NVIDIA. I wish I had, and then would have made lots more money. But I had to spread it across different stocks. I'm not in Novo Nordisk. Why? Because we don't do bottom fishing. I will eventually get in when that bottoms out and starts rising. Okay? It's ridiculously cheap, but not at the moment. Not at the moment. I don't care what the analysts say. Not at the moment. Got it? You got to be willing and able to sit aside. Now, Novo is not the type where I'm going to buy more of as it falls. Why? Well, because look at those numbers. They don't suit it. Got it? Like I said, LinkedIn as well. Don't forget, there's still more to come. Campaignforamillion.com. I want to change the face of asset management. At the moment, what happens is you give your